Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be unveiled on July 26th. Initially, it was expected to bring a major design change in the form of the crease. It's going to have a new water drop crease hinge, which is very similar to what Oppo, Vivo, and rest of the competition has. And rumors are that it's going to be totally hide the screen flex. But unfortunately, now new tweets from Ice University said that he got exact information the crease of Z Fold 5. There will be a 15% reduction compared to Z Fold 4, but still it will be clear. It will not. It cannot be like hidden. As earlier anticipated that it will be hidden, but now that's a big disappointment. But Ice Universe has always been critical of Samsung, so it might actually be hidden, and he might have got a wrong information, or he might have got a old information. But there's no other major change expected. It's going to have the same screen, same outer screen, inner screen, same camera setup, and will only have an upgraded processor. So with now increased competition, will Samsung be able to justify the price of this new phone? I really hope Samsung can actually hide the crease compared to other phones, but if they don't, maybe because in the biggest market for the Fold is the US, and US there is no other competition except for the Google Pixel Fold at the moment.